Hi there and welcome back to Accordion Joy. I'm Nicola and today we are learning your second song. This one is classic beginner friendly tune. It's called Rise of Fever. Let's get started. Here is how Rise of Fever sounds on the accordion. Alright, let's break it down step by step. First things first, I'll now tell you the notes that I'm playing on the right side. So we're using the right hand and let's dive right into it. So we go C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, C. So there's the first four bars. C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. As you can see, the first three bars and bar 5, 6, and 7 are exactly the same. What's different is bar 4 and the last bar of the first line. In the last bar of the first line we have two new things, and that's on the tone C we have also a small dot written next to the C, which means we need to hold the C three beats. So when holding the C you count 1, 2, 3 and release the tone. And then this last sign, that's actually a sign for a quarter break. So there you don't play anything. Alright, let's go with telling the note names of the notes for the second line. We got D, E, F, E, F, G, D, E, F, D, E, G. That's the first four bars, second line. D, E, F, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, break, C, break. Alright, so those are the names of the notes, of the tones that you need to play, and let's now go to the fingering. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is a break. Okay, second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, pretty simple basically. But I encourage you to practice this one until you get it, until you get comfortable with playing it like this, mastering the right hand. Okay, let's do the same with the left hand. So with the left hand, I'll first tell you the notes and the name of the chords and the basses that you need to play. First bar, C, C major, C major, C major, C, C major, C major, C major. That's the first two bars. Then G, G major, D major, D major, C, C major, C major, C major. Okay, that's the first four bars. C, 4, 4, 4, C, 4, 4, 4, G, 4, 4, 4. Last bar of the first line, C chord, so C major, and then C and C major together at the same time. So again, C, C major, together, break. One more time, break. Alright. Second line, G, chord, 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 C, chord, 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 G, D major, D major, D major, C, chord, 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 G major, G major, C, chord, 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 G, G major, chord, chord, and then the last bar we got C and C major together, break, break. One more time. So together, break, together, break. All right. The fingering, again, pretty simple. In this case, we have only C major and G major. So we're only gonna use 4-3 for C and C major and 4-3 again for G and G major. So let me give you an example. 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3. And then again G major, 4, 3, 3, C major. And when you have to play C and C major together, you just use 4 and 3 at the same time. Alright, now the fun part, combining the melody and chords. Remember to start slow, speed comes with practice. So from the beginning, I'm gonna play the whole piece in very slow tempo, and then I'm gonna count, just keeping the beats, okay? So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So last bar. 1, 2, 4 is a break. Again. 1, 2, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. All right. So that's the how you play with counting, and now I'm gonna play the whole piece just one more time to confirm it, to hear it again a little bit faster without counting. Great job! Remember, it's okay to make mistakes, just keep practicing and it will come together. You've just learned your second song on the accordion, keep practicing and don't forget to revisit the first song to reinforce what you have learned.